Check 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Cue karaoke time. Partnership has been a vital partner in really supporting Carver Middle School. When it comes to our schools, provided a forum of professional development for our teachers, where they have the opportunity to participate in strategic capacity building professional development that would lead in providing high quality instruction approach in the classroom to better meet the academic and social emotional needs of our Carver Cougars. Partnership also is innovating the way we deal with social justice, culturally relevant teaching, and really looking at the child as a whole. What do we do together to really, as a community, come together and really work with our families and students so when they come to Carver Middle School, they are in a safe place of learning. With families, Partnership has also provided opportunities for growth and learning through the parent college experience. Parents have an opportunity to come and participate in a parent college at our local partnership schools, where they take classes in various topics around academics, around FAFSA, around social emotional health, around mental health, to really overall be able to support our families, and also how do we better serve our children at home. And lastly, Partnership, working together with our school, our staff, and families, is really pivoting the way of transformation of South Los Angeles. We believe that every student that comes to our campus has the potential, the capacity, and the ability to be a successful citizen in life. So they start their journey here at Carver Middle School. With Partnership staff, we are preparing them for a brighter and more successful future.